Good morning, guys. So today is Saturday. I have a wedding party that I'm going to be doing today. I'm just doing the makeup. It's actually my friend from school, Kelly. Her best friend is getting married, so she's either maid of honor or one of the bridesmaids. So yeah, she asked me to come do the makeup for everyone. Right after I'm done with that, I'm gonna go straight back to the salon because we're doing some type of photo shoot. I don't even know the details, honestly. My boss just kind of mentioned it a few times, like, hey, we're doing a photo shoot. Look at this cute stuff I got for the photo shoot. And I'm like, so I don't really know. I don't know if it's like for the website or just for like social media. I don't really know. All right, let's go. I do want to stop for a quick iced coffee, so I gotta go, otherwise I won't have time for that. So I realized that I did not have my eyelash curler with me in my kit. I don't know where it even went, to be honest. And my friend specifically told me that the bride has stick straight lashes and to remember an eyelash curler. And of course, that's the one thing that I forgot. So since I was getting a nice coffee anyway, I ran into Target, got the $1 e.l.f. one, and yeah, got my coffee. Now we should be good to go, hopefully. All right, I'm on my way to work now, and I don't have you on the camera mount. So, sorry. I'll just hold you real quick. I don't have much to say, but yeah, I did the makeup. I ended up doing 5 people. So yeah, it was a pretty busy day. I'm exhausted. Just gotta change lanes real quick. So yeah, exhausted. At one point, literally, like as I was doing the last person, I was like, oh my god, I might actually pass out. And I was like, just get through it, Sam, get through this. Last person, come on. So now I am going back to the salon. We're gonna do this photo shoot. Still don't really know what exactly it is that we're doing, but we shall see. Oh, this is cute. So I just got home. I am exhausted. My legs, like my whole lower body, is just so exhausted. My knee is really bothering me. I got in a car accident a few years ago and messed my knee up, and so now, like, if I do certain things, or if I'm standing for too long, or I put too much weight on it, even sometimes driving, like because I'm super short and I have to really like extend my leg to reach the pedal, it just starts to hurt after a while. So it was hurting me even like when I was still doing the wedding makeup. So now at this point it's just like, ugh. But yeah, so the photo shoot was really fun. It's basically just like a photo shoot for the salon. She just wanted like cool photos to hang in the salon, and then also I guess probably, you know, to have online, like on the website and social media and whatnot. But it was a really, really cool theme. She did her client's hair this beautiful gray color. And my boss's sister is a photographer, so the two of them kind of collabed, and they found this really beautiful old vintage dress online. And it just like worked so well with the whole theme of the photo shoot. her best friend has this gorgeous horse, and like just the color of her hair with the horse's coloring, it was just like, oh, it was beautiful. So yeah, that was a lot of fun. But we were like out on, like, her house is like practically a farm. She has so many animals there. And I don't know, just like being outside and stuff, I feel like I'm probably gonna be covered in bug bites. I feel like there's stuff crawling on me. Like, I just feel so gross. So, yeah, I am looking forward to showering. But I think that's pretty much everything I wanted to update you guys on. My battery's dying now. Perfect. So, yeah, I am gonna go shower and just relax and call it a night. And, I'll see you, I don't know, whenever I decide to vlog again. Hi Tiffany, this is Samantha Vaylu. I'm just calling to make my monthly payment for my medical bill.
Oh, hi Samantha, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
Sure. Perfect.
Alright, take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you, bye. Good morning, guys. I just had to call and make my monthly payment. That's what happens when you don't have medical insurance. So today's Monday. I didn't vlog at all yesterday, which I kind of wish that I did, but I just didn't even like think to bring my camera with me. I went out for lunch with my mom. We went to this really nice winery in our area. We've been there before. I've vlogged it in the past. Yeah, it was just nice. We went there and we got some lunch, had some wine, sat outside, just enjoyed the day. The weather has been so shitty this summer. Like, it literally has been raining almost every single day for over a month straight, I want to say. And then, like, it started to get really chilly and it felt like fall was coming early, which was crazy. But now this whole coming week, it's normal summer weather, like hot, sunny. So I've been wanting to really take advantage of that as much as I can, because then I know fall will be here before we know it, and then winter, and ugh, I need to take advantage of the hot weather. But today, I do not have work. I don't know, my only plan really is to go to the gym. It's already 10:30. I've been waking up late lately, and I hate it. I really need to get in a better routine and start waking up earlier, because I just feel like I'm wasting my days by not waking up until like 10 or 11 o'clock. All right, let's go. So yeah, I have honestly been eating like shit the last 2 weeks, I want to say. And I have not really been consistent with working out. Back in, I don't know, June-ish, I think, end of June, beginning of July, I had started Insanity again, like an at-home workout. And I did that for like, probably like a full month, but then I had gotten my eyebrows microbladed, and so I had to take a whole week off from exercising while those healed. And I think that just like threw things off for me, and I started becoming inconsistent at that point, because I was doing those workouts 6 days a week. But I don't know, now I'm just kind of like all over the place, and I get bored with exercise. Like, I like to change things up. Sometimes I like to go to the gym and work out, other times I prefer to do it at home or outside or whatever the case may be, go to classes, whatever. I think I'm gonna just go on the treadmill, do some cardio. I usually will put the incline up and then just like power walk at like a 3.5, which with my short legs, that's a power walk. And I have my phone with me, so I'll probably just like watch some YouTube videos or something like that. I really like doing that because I just get like really focused on what I'm watching, and I'm not even thinking about the fact that I'm on a treadmill. And what I used to do a lot when I was still in school, I would try to go to the gym like 3 to 4 times a week and just go on the treadmill and like do some steady paced cardio. And I would purposely not watch any YouTube videos or like any TV or anything unless I was at the gym. So if I had a video in my subscription feed that I was like really excited to watch, it would like force me to want to go to the gym, because then that's where I could watch it. Maybe a little tip for you guys if you're like having a hard time pushing yourself to get to the gym: give yourself like some incentive to want to go and actually stay there for long periods of time. Just got done with my workout. Oh my god, I'm so sweaty. Ugh. Right next door at Dunkin' Donuts though. I think I'm gonna swing through and get a pumpkin spice iced coffee, because yeah, pumpkin season is in full effect. I'm so annoyed though. When I got into the gym, I like scanned my little thing and the girl stopped me and was like, oh, you have a payment that's past due. And I was like, what? I was not aware of that at all. I mean, I haven't been to the actual gym because I've been working out at home and just not at all. So I hadn't been to the gym. I had not received any type of notification that anything was past due, like no email, phone call, nothing. Oh, thank you. Hang on, let's get this coffee, and then I'll finish with my story. Could I have a small pumpkin spice iced coffee with cream?
That'll be all?
Yes, that's it.
$2.28.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, there you go.
Thank you. Thanks. Figured I would be good, just get a small, because I really don't need to be consuming so much sugar. But when they're seasonal drinks, you know, you gotta take advantage while they're here. So anyway, I guess what had happened was I didn't have enough in my checking account where they charged me for my membership each month. So she was like, yeah, you have the $20 membership charge and then an extra $20 service charge, so you owe $40, which isn't like a ridiculous amount of money, but like really you're gonna charge me an extra 20 bucks, when meanwhile had I known that the charge got declined, I would have just came in and gave, you know, a different card or paid in cash or something like that. Like, I was not aware at all of the issue. And it's just bullshit to me, because when I used to work out at a different gym, anytime there were any issues with payment, they would call you immediately and make you aware of the issue. And if you didn't answer, they'd leave you a message, they'd call you back the next day. They would also send you emails, like they, you know, let you know before they would go ahead and just automatically charge you some sort of like late fee or extra, you know, service charge or whatever. And I don't know, so I was like, well, I was completely unaware of this. You know, I haven't been to the gym in a couple of months. I never received any kind of email or anything like that. So, I mean, could you take the service charge off? Like, I will gladly pay, you know, whatever past payments I owe, but is there any way, because it just doesn't seem fair to me. So she was like, well, the best I could do is like cut it in half. So I had to pay an extra 10 bucks. I kind of want to go, because I'm like 99% sure I did not receive any emails, because I check my emails regularly. So I'm gonna go through and double check that, and then depending on what kind of mood I'm in, I might call them and see if I can talk to a manager and see if someone like more higher up can take it off for me completely, because I really think that's unfair. So I just got home. I'm heating up some lunch really quickly. So I have a salmon burger here that I'm gonna just eat by itself with no bun, a little bit of Italian sausage, half an avocado, and then I have some green beans steaming in the microwave. So yeah, I'm gonna go eat this stuff, take a shower, clean up my room a little bit, and then go and edit this vlog. And yeah, The next video after this one will be my Makeup Revolution stick foundation review. Finally, I recorded it like a week or two ago, but I've just been waiting to post it, so look out for that next. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.